Welcome back, traders. Today, we have an exciting video planned for you. We'll be diving deep into the world of Forex trading, exploring powerful profit strategies that can revolutionize your trading game. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the strategies, let's quickly recap what Forex trading is all about. Forex, or foreign exchange, is the decentralized global market where all the world's currencies are traded. It's the largest and most liquid market in the world, offering immense opportunities for profit. Now, the burning question on every trader's mind is, how can we maximize our profits in Forex? Well, that's where our powerful profit strategies come into play. These strategies have been tried, tested, and proven to work. Strategy number 1, trend following. This strategy involves identifying the market trend and aligning your trades accordingly. By riding the trend waves, you increase the probability of profitable trades. We'll dive into the specifics of trend identification and entry points in another video, so make sure to subscribe. Strategy number 2, breakout trading. This approach involves capitalizing on significant price movements that occur when the market breaks through support or resistance levels. By carefully identifying and timing these breakouts, you can capture substantial profit potential. Strategy number 3, risk management. This might not sound as glamorous as the others, but it's absolutely crucial. Proper risk management ensures that your trading capital is protected, reducing the chances of significant losses. We'll share some effective risk management techniques to implement in your trading plan. Now, here's the bonus point, an absolute game changer: automated trading systems. These systems utilize advanced algorithms and technology to execute trades on your behalf. With the right automation tools, you can capitalize on opportunities around the clock, even when you're away from your computer. So, there you have it. We've explored powerful Forex profit strategies, including trend following, breakout trading, and risk management. Remember, trading involves risk, so it's crucial to educate yourself and practice these strategies in a demo account before committing real funds. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow traders. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth insights and strategies to master the Forex market. Until next time, happy trading.